Okay, welcome back mga scalper. Another technical analysis for BTC. And wag na nga nating patagalin pa. Daily time frame is isang green candle. Below average yung volume. So tingnan natin yung possible scenario sa lower time frame. 4 hours time frame kung makikita natin, nasa uptrend momentum pa rin tayo. Hindi niya pa nababasag yung previous higher low. So what happened? Umakyat pa rin siya. So what we expect if possible susubok si BTC, magbasag ng resistance natin. And if magkakaroon tayo ng breakout, always wait for volume and always wait for pullback for higher probability. If babasag si BTC ng resistance natin, another higher high for BTC. What we expect pa din is either breakout ng resistance natin or breakout ng support area natin para ma-determine natin yung possible next direction. But currently, yung pinapakita ni BTC, nasa uptrend momentum tayo.